Hey guys, Ben here from NJ Local Homebuyers. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best ways to save money when selling your property. Hey guys, Ben here from NJLocalHomebuyers.com, where we buy houses cash and close fast. As I said in the preview, in today's video, we're going to talk about the best ways to save money when selling your property. One, you sell it just the way it is. Sell it as is, you don't change anything, you don't fix anything, you don't touch anything. You put it on the market based on the value of the property the way it is, and you sell it just the way it is. Number two would be you sell it on your own. You can list it for sale by owner or one of the FSBO sites, as we like to call them. List it by yourself. Now, the one thing though I do have to caution on that is unless you have a marketing background or sales background, you have to be very careful when doing that selling yourself. Think of it this way, where if let's say now you have to deal with negotiating directly with the buyers, you have to deal with showing, you have to deal with staging, making sure the property is properly marketed online, taking really nice pictures. So there's a lot more involved in selling a property than we give agents credit for, quite frankly. Number three would be you negotiate the commissions. Let's say it's not always ideal, but let's say you're willing to do something. In any negotiation, it's got to be a give and take. So if let's say for reduced commission, you're willing to take care of some of the staging costs or take care of some of the marketing costs that an agent would incur for listing a property for you. Or maybe you can get a hungry agent. A hungry agent is willing to make a name for themselves out there and go out and push the property to the whole market and be really aggressive in selling your house. They may be willing to give you reduced commission just to get the listing. Now, keep in mind, I said hungry agent, not new agent. With a new agent, sometimes it's just as bad as selling your house on your own. So you have to be very, very, very cautious of that. Four would be credits. If let's say the house is older, you've had it for a while, needs a new kitchen, bathroom, windows, and so on and so forth. Instead of incurring these costs yourself, you can, package it into obviously the sales price, as well as offer some credits to the buyer who would take the property and buy it. So credits could be an option that you could use as a way to save some money when selling your property. Number five would be DIY, do it yourself. So in a sense where if let's say you have a background in photography, you have a background in marketing, but you don't have the time to market and sell the property yourself. So you hire an agent, you do some of this stuff for the agent, and you reduce your commission in that sense, and you save some money in the process as well. Take some pictures, stage, and so on and so forth. So these are the things you can do to help you save some money. Lastly is you sell it fast. So you would deal with investors just like myself. You can call my company, number is listed below. We'd be happy to talk to you about it. But we'd come in, take a look at the property, assess it, including the repairs and anything else that we need to do, factor in the profit we need to make, because at the end of the day, we're not doing this for free. So we figured everything out for you, make you an offer accordingly, and if the numbers work, then we have a deal. So you can move on, close usually within a few weeks, and that's it. So again, this is Ben from NJLocalHomebuyers.com. My number is listed below, NJLocalHomebuyers.com. Be happy to help and take a look at your property. So give me a shout when you have moments.